Alright guys, this is a short review, initial impressions of the Alcatel Verso from Cricket Wireless, which was released on January 14th. It's one of Cricket's free devices with port-in. I believe it's $30 or $40 if you get a new number plus activation first month and all that. So as you can see, it has an okay display right here. It does use Android 7.0. It's a 5-inch phone. It really reminds me of the Alcatel A30 from Metro PCS. If you ever ran across that phone, it has a similar texture, look, and feel. But as you can see also, it is an absolute fingerprint magnet. So we'll go ahead and get the display open. It's a pretty stock Android experience. It kind of reminds me of like a Blade Z Max, Z Max Pro, those kind of phones. So it's a pretty stock Android experience as usual. I've gotten rid of a whole lot of the bloatware. I haven't disabled the rest of it yet, but we will get to that shortly. As you can see, it has a front speaker, a nice front speaker, so hopefully that gets some good sound out of it. It has a 2-megapixel front camera, no flash, which is starting to be disappointing because a lot of phones are having the front flash, and 5-megapixel camera with flash in the back. Now the camera, as you know, with those kind of specifications is not the greatest, so we'll go ahead and wait for it to load. No, you don't need to know my location, but there you go right there. Excuse the lighting, not the greatest camera ever. Go ahead and try to take a snapshot just to see how it comes out. Let's see. Yep, like I said, it's an okay image, but you can do a whole lot better than this, to be honest. You know that this being a super budget device. As far as the video goes, you know, you get your 720p, all that good stuff. It's pretty basic. It allows you to pause within recording so you can chop your videos as you record, which is pretty convenient. Makes a pretty annoying sound when you get out of it, but let's see. Let's go ahead and hit the settings menu. You can see it's pretty typical, all the connections to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Cricket. It's pretty stock Android, you know. That's what the skin is looking like. So we go to the settings and scroll all the way down. See Android 7.0. Here you check your software update. Let's see. Here you're going to add your accounts, Google or regular account, security and all that. It's used 660 megabytes of the 1.9 gigabytes of RAM that is initially included. I don't know where the heck all that went, but okay. As far as the storage goes, it's used 5.8 gigs of the 16. So onboarding, after you remove bloatware, let's see, you have about 11 gigs, a little under 11 gigs or over, whatever. I'm not great at math, but yeah. So that is pretty nice. I do think this device is better than the LG Fortune, to be honest. So here you got your lock screen set up, your display, notifications, the ringer, mobile networks, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, we saw that already, screen lock. So it's pretty basic. And one thing cool about this type of devices, you can usually just go like that and it gives you the more traditional looking menu. But yeah, this device, you know, it's good if you're a beginner smartphone user. You just need a phone as backup or a replacement quickly because you just damaged your phone, or you just need really light smartphone usage just to talk, text, maybe send a picture, email, some light web surfing, not anything to run a business or anything extravagant like that. But yeah, it's pretty basic. You got your contacts right here, pretty basic in the Cricket green. Got your dialer right here, and then you know, you just hit that little brush right there to close your background apps, which also helps out with saving battery life and data, in case you're not on an unlimited plan, but especially your data. Oh, I'm sorry, not your data, your battery. Go back to the home screen. Change that wallpaper up a little bit. One thing I admit is they do have pretty nice looking wallpapers for these devices, but you know, you can always download better, and I'm a sucker for these outer space one, so that's really cool right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that as my wallpaper, and then here it's gonna tell you want to do just the home screen, the lock screen, or both, and I do both. But yep, that's been a quick review of the device. It's not a great camera, has pretty good call quality, just a really basic device. You don't get a whole lot out of these devices because, as you know, you get what you pay for. But if you like this kind of content, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share, and y'all have a great day. This is your boy Mill Hustles. You can follow me on Twitter / Instagram at Mill Hustles, and also support our sponsors. Please visit phonejuice.net and theunlockingcompany.com. Y'all have a great day, and thank you.